Identifying gerunds in a sentence can be a fun challenge once you know what to look for. Let's dive right in. First, remember that a gerund always ends in "inch." But here's the catch. Not every ing word is a gerund. For example, in the sentence, "Running is my favorite exercise," running is a gerund because it acts as the subject of the sentence. It's doing the job of a noun, which is key to identifying it. Now, let's clarify how to determine if that ing word is functioning as a noun. If you can replace the ing word with a noun and the sentence still makes sense, you're likely looking at a gerund. For instance, in "I enjoy swimming," if you swap swimming with exercise, the sentence still holds, "I enjoy exercise." This confirms that swimming is indeed a gerund. Next, we need to distinguish gerunds from present participles. Both end in ing, but they serve different purposes. Present participles are used in verb phrases or as adjectives. For example, in "The running water is cold," running describes the water, making it an adjective, not a noun. So context is crucial. If the ing word is acting like a noun, it's a gerund. If it's modifying something else, it's a present participle. Let's look at some more examples. In the sentence, "I love reading books," reading is a gerund because it's the object of the verb love. Similarly, in "Her favorite hobby is painting," painting functions as a complement, making it a gerund as well. Now, gerund phrases take things a step further. A gerund phrase includes the gerund and any modifiers or objects associated with it. For instance, in "I enjoy playing soccer on weekends," the entire phrase "playing soccer on weekends" acts as the object of enjoy. It's a noun phrase that tells us what the enjoyment is about. Another example could be, "Swimming in the ocean is refreshing." Here, "swimming in the ocean" is the gerund phrase, serving as the subject of the sentence. So when you're reading or writing, keep an eye out for those ing words. Ask yourself, is it acting as a noun? Can I replace it with a noun? If yes, you've found a gerund. And remember, context is your best friend in this process. With practice, identifying gerunds will become second nature. So the next time you encounter a sentence, take a moment to dissect it. You might just discover a whole new layer of meaning.